My name's Jonathan Dow. I'm the Managing Director of Top Class Chauffeurs, and we're a chauffeur company that specialises in corporate clients with 3 bases in Leicestershire, Gloucestershire and Sussex. We pay a living wage because we had a ethos in our business that we wanted to provide exceptional standards of customer service. And the way we felt we could do that, or one of the ways we felt we could do that, was to ensure we attracted the best possible people in the industry. And so one way to attract the best possible people is to obviously pay them better than your competitors pay them. And so we're in a traditionally low paid industry where people aren't generally employed, they tend to be self-employed. So we thought, well, if we employ people on good employment benefits, one of which is remuneration, we hopefully will attract the best possible people, retain those people, support them, and ultimately they'll provide the best possible service, which means our clients come back for more. Yeah, happy staff, definitely. I mean, you're always going to get the odd one, but majority of the time we have a very happy bunch of people. We have very good staff satisfaction survey results. We do a happiness indicator every quarter where we do a snapshot amongst our team at any point in the year, whether it's busy, they're being overworked, underworked, whether it's, whatever the challenges within the business we face, they tend to be a happy group, which means that they provide a better customer service.
I'm Caroline Ridley. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at Impact Initiatives, which is a Sussex charity. We work with people of all ages. We have around between 70 and 80 staff at any one time and an annual turnover of around 2 million. Looking at the work that we do, our staff really are our biggest asset, and I think as a charity we do amazing work, but we can only do that and get the good results if we've got the right staff in place. I think advertising that we are a living wage employer does give us some credibility. I think it shows that we value our staff, it shows that we're financially sound enough to be able to do that. I think it helps us to recruit the right staff, because if people are going to get slightly more working for us, although the jobs might be quite difficult to do, then hopefully they're likely to come to us and stay with us.
I'm Tom Smith. I run a company called Oxford Consultants for Social Inclusion, which we've nicely shortened to OCSI. We work for government and public sector organisations using data to improve services, evaluate effectiveness, that kind of thing. As a company, for us, always working on improving public services, it's very important that we reflect the work that we do in fairness, improving society. So the living wage really helped us sort of demonstrate that commitment. Living wage works at 3 levels. So you have better pay for individual person, so making them happier, harder working hopefully, but also meaning that they can come in and work for you because that's what they want to do. It also works on a team level, at a business level. So as OCSI, we need to and want to have the best people working for us that we can possibly get. So again, by demonstrating that commitment to a living wage, that helps us bring in better team people, better groups, better skills and so on. And it works on a society level. It's about justice for low paid jobs, for making sure that the kind of work that you're doing is fairly paid, and that you're rewarding or valuing people and the teamwork and the work that they do for you as an organisation. So it works on those 3 levels. So that for us is a very important part of the living wage.
I'm Matt Chambers from Madison Solutions. When we started Madison, the whole ethos of the business was to have a good work-life balance. So obviously without a living wage, you can't have that. And we didn't want to employ people and have people stressed at work, because obviously they haven't got enough money to live a good standard of life, so the living wage is very important for that. And it's not really seen to us as a bare minimum. It was a really easy idea for us to get on board with. We know we need to pay a decent wage to get the right people. We want people to be really happy. So joining the living wage was a no-brainer for us. But I think it definitely contributes to a happy team. And a happy team is really important, because if guys are happy working for us and they feel appreciated, it means that they transfer that onto the customers, which means they look after the clients and they treat the clients in the same way as we treat the guys that do the work.
My name's Richard Howard and I work with Madison Solutions. Being a living wage member, it means we're promoting the service through our own website, and with the work we've done on the website, we're helping to get more people on board. And these days people are accessing the internet on a bigger and bigger range of devices, so we needed to make sure that the website worked well and looked good on all these different devices, so whenever people are seeing the branding for the living wage, whatever that whatever situation they're in, whatever device they've got access to, they can investigate it there. And then to give more value to the people that's signing up, we've included a directory system so people can add their own profiles and tell people why they're joining. So it's really building up a big body of evidence about why different employers think it's important. And I think that's a valuable asset.